Hey dolls! Welcome back to Michawn's DIY journey, and thanks so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate you guys spending just part of your day with me. Today I am doing a quick decorate with me on my front or my entryway table to my foyer into my house. And I just thought it'd be really fun to show you guys kind of my style and how I decorate. I know a lot of times in my DIY videos I talk about color schemes that I have going on in my house, and I don't just do DIYs just to do them. I actually use all of these pieces in my house, so it takes me a little longer to figure out what I want to do to make sure that it goes with my decor in my house to make it look like a cohesive look. So I am getting started to remove all the stuff that I have on my entryway table now. As you can see, it's a bunch of Valentine's Day decor, and I'm a little slow getting them out, but that is because I had a bunch of other stuff that I had going on. So other than that, let's get started. Let's have some fun. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to clear off everything that is on my table and give it a real quick, easy wipe down. I'm just taking some of these wet wipes. They're like Febreze and Lysol wet wipes or something. And I'm just wiping it down and making it a little clean because it's pretty dusty. Then I'm just going to figure out some of the items that I want to put on there. I'm going to reuse this this Valentine topiary that I made for Valentine's Day and just remove that ribbon off of the front of it and then place that on the corner. I change around a lot of things so many times, so just bear with me. And then a couple of the items that I made for my spring decor, I decided I wanted to put on the table, and a few items that I bought from Dollar Tree hauls I'm going to put on the table. There's a few plaques that I have that I'm going to place around. I started to realize that I was beginning to put too many items on this table because I still wanted to put this ceramic white house on here, as well as this green topiary that I made when I first started my channel. And I have this welcome to our home bowl that I picked up from a Target haul. And all I'm going to do is just place the topiary inside of there in the regular glass bowl that I had made it in, and it fits pretty perfectly. But once I realized I had too many things on the table, I decided to change things around, put stuff on the bottom shelf of this table. And I love all of the spring decor items that I did make that I can incorporate on this table. I'm also going to use the Made with Love vase that I had for Valentine's Day. I'm just removing that ribbon and putting some different flowers in there, which all of these florals are from Dollar Tree in their spring section. And then I have another white vase that I made from Dollar Tree products, and just putting some real flowers in there. My husband always gives me flowers, and so I just decided to go ahead and put them at this foyer table. But as of now, the flowers are dead. They're no longer there, but it still looks good even with that empty white vase. Now for the wall, I am putting this love you more sign that I got from Target, and just really trying to figure out how I want it. I wanted it kind of scattered a little bit, so my husband helped me out with making sure that everything was level. But in the end, I decided to put them on both sides of my wedding picture frame that I have in the middle. get some inspiration. Obviously you saw that I tried to do so much more, put so much more on the table, but you know, I guess sometimes less is more, and I don't want it to be too like crowded or claustrophobic on this table at all. And I think I had way too many flowers on there, but I ended up really loving the end product, especially the wall. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, dolls.